Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the screencast. Today, a very special screencast. It's me, Mr. S, and Bobby B is with us today, our other mathematician from our afternoon group. We're going to be talking about, what are we going to be talking about, Bobby? On coordinate planes, that's right. And we're even going to show you, matter of fact, what we're going to show you first is how to not even use a coordinate plane and still figure out the perimeter of a rectangle, right? That's what we did today. Okay. So step one, I think what we need to do, Bobby, is draw two T-joints. Let me do that first. And what goes on this side, Bobby, X or Y? That is correct, which means Y must be on that side. Another one over here. And those of you that are wondering why are they drawing two, we're coming. You'll see why as soon as we start using them. All right, Bobby, let's take a look at the coordinate pairs. I see 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 1. Do you notice any similarities? Two of them start with 2's, right? So that tells me that the x coordinate should be the same. And the y coordinate, well, they're different, aren't they? Well, let's take a look. I'm going to put 2, 5 and 2, 1. Did I copy this correctly? Yeah, there's 2. There we go. Good. And what's the other pair? 4, 1. Well, 1 and 4, 5. Very good, Bobby. And let me just write them. 4, 5 and 4, 1. Now, I notice that these are the same. I don't think they really have anything to do with what I want to do next other than to say, okay, they're the same. They make a line. But to figure out how long the line is, let's find the difference of these two numbers and these two numbers. What is the difference of 5 and 1? 5 is greater than 1. That is true. But what if I said 5 minus 1? 4. So the difference is 4. Same thing down here. So for our x side, let's just say it that, it's like x line. Right now we know one of them is going to be 4, the other one's going to be 4, so we have 8 so far. Our distance is 8 so far. Let's look at the other side. And I guess I have to erase, Bobby. You know I'm really not good at that. So let's try that. All right. Here we go. Okay. Not bad. We did the x's on this side, Bobby. What? Oh, I knew it. There. What are we going to put on this side? The y's. All right. Let's match up the y's, which is the second number. What do you see? 4, 4, 1. 4, 5. I agree with. And how about 2, 5? 4, 5, and 2, 5, because they have the same last number. Right there. And what's the other two left over? 2, 1, and 4, 1. 2, 1, and 4, 1. I put those backwards, actually, but we'll see if it works out okay. All right, now, just like we did on the x side, Bobby, we figured the difference between 5 and 1 was 4. What's the difference between 4 and 2? 2 is correct. So we got 2 here, and then these are backwards, aren't they, Bobby? Yep. So it still will be 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2. Now, looks like we have 4 lengths. We have this one here, that one there, that one there, and that one there. And that would make sense because there's 4 sides to this rectangle, and that's the distance of all of them. How would I figure out the total? Okay, let's add them all up. We have 4, 4, 2, 2. What is 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2? 4 plus 4 is 12. Now, we've been talking a lot about labels in class, right? Yep. And it doesn't look like they're saying inches or anything, so it would just be units. Is it squared? Because I don't think we're talking area. Just units, right? If it was area, then yeah, for sure. All right. And that's how you take care of using coordinate plane. Bobby, let's take a look at something else we did in class today, as long as the machine cooperates with us. Hello, Bobby. Not looking good. Huh. Lost. I'll tell you what we'll do, Bobby. We'll make a second part after we figure out our technical difficulties. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first half of this podcast that Bobby and I are doing. We'll be back in a minute.